This is Under a Bobber Fishing, and it's crazy windy here today at this pond in Westerville, Ohio. So we're gonna see if we can catch anything. I don't know, we'll find out. I got a fish. Oh my gosh. That was super tough going. Oh man. It is, because it's crazy windy out here and very difficult to see. There he is. Very difficult to see the bites. Get you out of there. There he is. All right, buddy. Uh-oh. Gotta get him. There he goes. All right, I'm gonna try a few more times. We'll see. I might have to move to another place. Okay, well, I got another one the very next cast. So maybe we'll hang out here for a little bit. So another little guy. Uh-oh. Good grief. I can't get him off the hook without dropping him. Okay, I'm going to have to push him in the water with my fishing rod here. Let's see if we can do that. There he goes. I got another one. That's the third cast in a row. Okay, well, sometimes when it seems bleak, it turns around. Wow, it is so windy though. All right, this one's a little bigger than the other two. A little bit. Still a small guy, but that's all right. Let's see if I can actually get him in the water. Thank you, buddy. There he goes. I caught a little teeny tiny one. I didn't even know he was on there. I was reeling it in to check my bait. Well, that's the deal at this pond. There are little teeny tiny fish here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this was worth it today. I don't think I'm going to stay here. I may go over and check out the creek and see how it's doing. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he made it. Gosh darn it. Well, he got back. All right, that's going to be it for this pond. Good grief. It's just so windy. All right, maybe I'll catch something somewhere else. Bye.